How's it going? So today we're going to do an outside mod, a real simple mod. Hey, you might hear Pepper. She's kind of upset that she didn't get to come out and play right now. What we want to do is we want to install the OpenGlass Van Mods door stopper. What I've noticed a couple of times when we're just parked someplace on a slight incline, the door will just keep sliding back on us when we have it not all the way pushed back. And sometimes when you push it all the way back, the way that the door is on the Sprinter with the 19P setup, you actually have to either pull it from the outside or get the latch button on the inside. Those with Sprinter vans knows what I'm talking about. And you kind of got to reach out and over. So us short people, our arms are shorter as well. It's hard to get to. So what I want to do is install door stop in this area so that it doesn't go all the way over. It rolls over and just catches in the area, and then you don't have to be able to you don't have to reach so far out to pull the door, and you don't have to hit that button. You just grab it and pull. So one thing we want to be aware of is where do we want the door to latch. The thing I want to do is not come all the way back, but be able to have it just at the edge. My parents get in and out, and if I have it just at shoulder width, it's going to be kind of tough for them. Also, if I want to carry something in and out, shoulder width is kind of just going to be a little too narrow. So I'm thinking if we have it just at the edge, that's going to be the perfect spot for us. All right, so what I want to do is I'm just going to, instead of guessing and eyeballing, I'm just going to take a quick measurement about where that's at. So let's go, actually it's 24, so it's 24 inches, that's 2 feet. So if I go ahead and shut this, I want to go back 24 inches, 2 feet, that's going to give me an idea where I want that, right? So what I'm going to do is make a little mark on, just make a little mark on the track, just on the edge, just so I have an idea of where that's going to be. So if we look on the packet here, I'll pull this up for you. You can see it right about now. There's a little screen capture from my phone. All right, so when we open up the package, there I give you a close-up of the back of the pack. It gives you the directions. Inside, you simply have the stopper and some alcohol wipes. That's just to help clean it off. Now, if we look close at this, we're gonna see how it's got a little bubble in it, just a little resting spot, it's a little lower. So when we apply this, the door is going to come up over just the ball on the roller. While it's in the track, it's going to come up, it's going to go over, and it's going to stop here. Now we'll be able to push it on over and pull it back pretty easily. And really an important thing for me, you know, my little T-Rex arms, is that I don't have to push the lever catch on the inside. Right, we can just pull it over. It's going to act as that lever catch for when it's way back here in the door. It's going to act like that lever catch, stop back here, but we don't have to actually press that down. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and clean this area with the alcohol wipe. All right, so with that on, alcohol dries fairly quickly, looks good. We'll go ahead and we'll remove the backing to expose the tape. As we can see, it's on there. We've rolled it over and back a couple of times. It's working just like it's advertised. We'll just keep you updated on when we're on a pretty good incline, but it rests in pretty good. I think it's going to be a good mod to go for, and at like 20 bucks, it's worth it.